Welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss the latest March update available for Windows 11 23H2 and 22H2 devices. This update enables a new Moment 5 features for all the users and is a release preview update. That means it is in the testing phase and you might face some issues after installing it. You can wait for the next stable update which will arrive on the second week of April. The first major change is that Copilot now supports asking queries using a local account. You can ask up to 10 queries in Copilot and then you must log in with a Microsoft account to continue using it. The lock screen now shows more information. Along with the weather app, you can see finance, sports and traffic content. The Voice Access app receives a major overhaul and now supports more languages than before. It adds French, German and Spanish to its languages list, which you can download to fine-tune the app. Now you can also use Voice Access on multiple displays and control the screen without lifting your finger. Voice Access app is fine for the most part, and you can also create custom shortcuts to open app, launch and do manual actions. The Narrator app gets a set of natural voices that you can use to read aloud text. You can download and install these natural voices after launching the app, and in our opinion the preview works exceptionally fine. The next addition is improvement to the Windows Share feature. When you open the File Explorer and try to share a file, you will see suggested apps that include Microsoft Teams and WhatsApp. When you are signed in with a Microsoft account, you will see Microsoft Teams under the suggested apps while sharing a file. Similarly, if you try to share a file, you will also see the WhatsApp icon. But if you don't have the WhatsApp app installed, you will be redirected to the Microsoft Store to download the app and sign into your account. After that, you can directly share any file using WhatsApp from the File Explorer. Windows also has the nearby sharing feature that has a few upgrades to it. First of all, you can launch it from the quick access, and if the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned off, clicking on the nearby sharing will turn on both these settings on your PC. So you can easily connect with the nearby Windows PC. You can also assign easy to remember names for your nearby sharing PC using the app settings. Snap layouts are already a handy feature that enable you to snap windows on your display and arrange them in one click. When you hover on the maximize icon on any app, you will see app suggestions along with app icons to snap them accordingly. This update also brings a few fixes. The first improvement in this build is fixing the settings app Bluetooth section. When you tried to remove a Bluetooth device, the app hung or crashed. Similarly, USB audio was not working for many users. Along with that, the combined taskbar buttons and hide labels also faced issues and displayed labels incorrectly. All of these are fixed in the update. That's all for this video, guys. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with other Windows users and stay tuned for more Windows news, updates, tips and tricks